Is for tools for kids to make construction or from cardboard. So if we have these cardboard items, we have a safe saw, which is safe. Kids cannot hurt themselves.
Oh!
But it cuts cardboard. So very easily.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have a crimping tool. So if you want to put a fold,
Ooh.
okay. And then we also have a screwdriver.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can fold those two over. Okay. We punch it.
Yes, very easy.
Very easy.
Very easy.
And as you can see, these screws are holding our stand together.
Yes. Boxes.
Yes. On our cards here, we have a QR code and we have lesson plans.